Okay, hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to install Dosbox on Retropie, on a Raspberry Pi of course. So first thing you would do is you would just go to Retropie like this. Go to Retropie Setup. And then go to Manage Packages. Go to Main Packages. Just scroll down here. Sorry, it's not there. I think it's Optional Packages. Let me try that. Okay, it's Optional Packages. Then just locate Dosbox. It should be here. As you can see, it is right there. I'll zoom in a little bit. Let's see, there it is. Dosbox. I already installed it, but if you want to install it, just go right in. And then it'll give you an option to install. For me, it's just, I can't install it again, so I just have to update if I want the latest version. So you just install it here, and then it will take maybe a couple of minutes or a few minutes or whatever. Maybe 10 minutes, and then after you finish you go back and then exit, just get out of here, and then just restart Windows. I mean not Windows, I'm sorry, Retropie. Actually, don't restart it now. Actually you just go back to your PC, and I don't know if you saw that or not. Okay, sorry about that. So you go back to your PC and put in the DOS files in the Retropie ROMs folder. So I'm going to show you how to do that next, okay? Okay, now I'm back on my PC. What I'm going to do is I'm going to download some DOS games. So a good site for downloading DOS game is Abandonware. I'm sure there are others, but this is the one that I usually use to download games. So I'm going to download the one for DOS, just like that. Okay, and what I want to do is I want to go into Retropie. My Retropie is on right now, and I want to go to my download folder. There's Russian Attack. I want to unzip it to go to ROMs, go to PC, and I'm just going to move it right here, just like that. That's a Russian Attack file. You just have to know what the exe file is in order to run the game. That's all you gotta know. So I put in games already. So LHX, the exe file is LHX.exe. That's the file that you would use to run the game. For Bad Blood, it would be badblood.exe. That's stuff that we had to know when we were using DOS back in the day. So Aces of the Pacific is Aces. So it could also be a .com file as well, or a .exe. So I have some other games as well. Let's see. Tetris. Okay, I want to get Tetris in there too. So that's good. Now I'm going to go back to my Raspberry Pi with Retropie on it. Okay, now I'm back to my Retropie. So what I want to do is I want to restart Retropie. This is on here, but it's not going to have, it's only going to have the games that I previously loaded on it. So let me go in here. So I previously had Aces of the Pacific, Bad Blood, and LHX, but the other games that I loaded, like Russian Attack and the other one, is not there. So what I have to do is I need to restart. Just press start and then just go here and restart Emulation Station, and you should be able to see the ones that I just put in. Okay, now Retropie is rebooting. Okay, now you should be able to see it. Let me go here. MS-DOS. Okay, I got Tetris and Russian Attack, so I'm just going to run some games. Run Bad Blood. And the exe file is badblood.exe, like I told you earlier. So if you pick the wrong file, it's not going to run. And just make sure you have a keyboard and a mouse connected so you could play the game. Because DOS games did require a keyboard and mouse. So just your controller will not be enough to play DOS games. As you can see, the game is running. Sound is working and everything. So right now I'm just using my keyboard to play. This is a USB mouse that I connected. Okay, game worked. So in order to exit, you just have to exit DOS. For this game, it's Q. That's to get out of the game. So let me go back now. Try to run another game. The exe file for this is LHX. No, I don't want. I want to play. What is the weight of that? I don't know. Okay. Well, it's cracked anyway, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, that's enough. So I'm going to exit to DOS. Oh yes, another thing. You can speed up this thing by pressing F12 or F11. So F11 will make it faster. You just keep pressing it, and F11. I don't know if you can do that in this with this Retropie thing. With regular DOS you could. Maybe you can't. I don't know. It's Control F11. Now it really makes no difference. I guess it doesn't work with this. Try Control F11. Oh, it actually makes it slower. Okay, so Control F12 makes it faster. Okay, it does apply here. So Control F12 definitely makes it faster. Control F11 makes it slower. Okay, so I'm going to keep pressing Control F12. Okay, that's good. So that's what you do. So I'm going to exit. Yes, and now I go back to Dosbox, and that's it. Pretty much it. That's how you run Dosbox on Retropie. I'm just going to shut this down. So anyways, thanks for watching. My Ace 1000 KS 1975 signing out.